Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to my channel. As I have updated on my post that I will be sharing with you the kitchen cloth crochet tutorial. So here is the tutorial of crochet kitchen cloth. The picture I have posted was in green color, and unfortunately I wasn't able to capture the tutorial of that piece, and that was a bigger piece, so I'm going to teach you here with a smaller one. For this you'll be needing 2.5 or 3 mm needle, and you can have a pure 100% cotton yarn, or I'm using here an acrylic yarn that is available. Alright, the process is the same. That depends on what material you want to use. So first you can gather the materials, the yarn as I have mentioned, and the crochet needle and a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. All right, we'll be starting by making 31 chains, and then inserting the hook into the second chain from the hook, and make one single crochet. Alright, we'll be making the single crochets all over the chains, so we'll get 30 chains. Alright, until we reach the end we'll be making the single crochet, and then we'll chain one and then turn our work. We'll be repeating one single crochet in every stitch across each row until the cloth becomes a square about same length on each side. That would be depending on which size of needle you have taken. Alright, then when you have finished, you need to fasten off the yarn and then weave the ends. If you like, you can add the borders by working one single crochet around all four sides, placing 3 single crochet in each corner. At the corner, we'll be making 3 single crochet so that it's able to keep its shape, the square shape. So here we are also going to make a loop so that we're able to hang it in the kitchen, wherever you hang your utensils. You can hang over there, or it's also even easy to carry. Congratulations! Your crochet kitchen cloth is complete. This is useful for your kitchen cleaning, as well as you can also use it as a placemat, or you can hold hot pots with this cloth, and it is also very cute display for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Enjoy crocheting.